Hello, welcome to another episode of What's Cooking in the Kitchen here at Carroll Lutheran Village. I'm Chef Kevin, and today I am going to be doing an Italian-style roast beef sandwich. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to take a sirloin strip, which is usually what you would have for New York sirloin steak, whatever, and I'm going to trim this down and take all the fat off. So the first thing I'm working on is on this edge here. And I am going to be removing all the fat, all of the silver skin. And we're just taking this all right down, because we're going to be doing a very long, low, slow roast with this. And sometimes with the fat you can just peel it all right back, makes it a little bit easier to know what you're getting to. And you, under the silver skin, and then you cut up against it and just work that knife across, trying to leave most of the meat back behind that you want to eat. And then when that's all trimmed down, I'm going to take it and cut it in half lengthwise. So each sirloin will give me 4 pieces. Now what I'm going to do is we're doing a rub. I have what we call beef base, which is almost like a heavy paste of beef broth. If you don't have beef base, you could certainly use kitchen bouquet or a gravy master. But anyway, what I'm going to take from that is I'm going to add some Italian dressing, golden Italian dressing, a good amount of smoked paprika, some chili powder, black pepper, a little bit of chili or chipotle chili powder as well, put a little bit of heat to it, some granulated garlic, onion powder, and a little bit of liquid smoke to help keep some of that nice flavor going with it. And now we're going to mix this till it forms a nice paste. Okay. So now I've got this mixed into a nice smooth paste. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and rub it over the clean sirloin. And we want to be generous with it. And we're going to put it into my roasting pan. And then what we're going to do is we're now going to cover this and refrigerate it and let it sit overnight, 24 hours or as close to it as we can. So after that meat marinated for 24 hours, I took it, I roasted it in a 200-degree convection oven for an hour and a half, hour and 15 minutes until it read 135 degrees Fahrenheit. And it came out of the oven looking like that. Then we've let it cool and we sliced it nice and thin. And now we'll make our sandwich. So I've got a nice hard ciabatta roll. And I'm going to take a little bit of a horseradish mayonnaise, which is really just mayonnaise, horseradish, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce that we've mixed together. I'm going to put down about 5 ounces of the shaved roast beef. I'm going to put a slice of provolone cheese on top. So now I'm just going to take some of this giardiniera vegetable, which is just pickled and marinated. Just give a rough little chop. And I'm going to put it on top of my sandwich. And we're going to close that. Cut it in half. And there we have an Italian roast beef sandwich. I want to thank you. I wish you all had a Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a Happy New Year. And this sandwich will be available in the bistro and the cafe on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thank you.